They call it the Sky Shield, a game-changing system that can lock onto enemy aircraft, drones, cruise missiles, and even ballistic threat. From nearly 400 kilometers, let me repeat that, from nearly 400 kilometers away. This is the S-400 Triumph, and it is now standing guard over Indian skies. Procured from Russia under a landmark $5.4 billion deal, the S-400 represents the most advanced long-range surface-to-air missile system that India has ever deployed. Each S-400 regiment includes a command post, powerful radars, and 4 types of interceptor missiles capable of simultaneously tracking and engaging up to 80 targets, and that too at a speed of Mach 14, means 14 times faster than the speed of sound. In a conflict scenario, it means this: that incoming threat from Pakistan or China, including stealth aircraft or incoming missiles, can be destroyed much before they can cross into the Indian airspace. Already deployed in strategic sectors like Punjab, Ladakh, and the Northeast, the S-400 forms a protective dome over India's critical infrastructure, air bases, and command centers. Despite the American pressure and CAATSA sanctions looming, India chose capability over compromise. Because in the high-stakes chessboard of Asian geopolitics, air superiority is not a choice, it's a necessity, and it has been seen in Operation Sindoor. And the S-400 is not just alone. It is the top layer of India's emerging multi-layered air defense system, working in tandem with Akash missiles, Barak 8 system, and the future DRDO-made medium-range and long-range surface-to-air missiles. In a world where next war may start with missiles before men, the S-400 ensures that India's enemies will think twice before looking up.